Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, we'll find about how you can create an Amazon Associates account in the United States and Canada. If you're looking to create a new Amazon account living in the US or Canada, then this video is definitely for you. So go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and let's get into this. First of all, go over to your browser and search for Amazon Associates. Click on the first link. You'll be directed to the Amazon Associates main page where you'll sign up with your new account, so click on Sign Up. Now you'll be directed to the page where you'll need to start putting in your details like your name and address, so go ahead and do so. Make sure to select US or Canada as your location, where you can choose whatever location you're in and add in your province, city, postal code, etc. Add in your phone number and click on Next. Now you'll need to add the website or app on which you are planning to display the ads from Amazon Associates. So go ahead and add it in and click on Next. Now it'll just ask you a few details about your profile. So go ahead and add it in like your most preferred Amazon Associates store ID about the type of content you make and what describes your content the best. Complete the whole thing by adding in the CAPTCHA code and click on Finish. And as you can see, Amazon Associates is congratulating you and you've successfully made your own Amazon Associates account in US or Canada. That is how easily you can create your own Amazon Associates account in the US or Canada and start earning through Amazon. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and like this for more tutorials.